Hello friends, let's have another topic that is about again on the interest on drawings. In this case, what actually is given, a certain amount has been withdrawn by any of the partner at the beginning of each month. Now you know that in a year there are 12 months, right? So for the 12 months, how many number of withdrawals would be there? That is 12 withdrawals would be there because there are 12 months in a year, right? Then if there are 12 withdrawals and a partner is withdrawing the amount on the very first day of the month, so the first day of the year of your financial year for business would be 1st April. So from 1st April, and the second withdrawal would be on 1st May, then third withdrawal would be on 1st of June, and then next one would be on 1st of July, 1st of August, going along. The last withdrawal would be on the date 1st of March, right? So as per this, why we are writing this date is just to find out that how many number of months he will be using the withdrawal amount. So when he has withdrawn the first amount, how many months were pending for the usage? There were 12 months pending. How 12 months were pending? That is 1st April he has withdrawn. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb and March. So we landed up with the 12 months of the usage. Next withdrawal would be used for 11 months because 1 month have gone. Then next would be 10, and so along. The last withdrawal would be used only for 1 month because he has made withdrawal on which date? 1st of March, right? So you have to take IOD on average in this case for 12 plus 1 divided by 2. First figure, last figure divided by 2. So how much is the value here? 6.5. So in this case, when you are given that withdrawal have been done by a partner at the beginning of each month, how much value for average you will be making use of? 6.5. So if I presume there is a partner X who has withdrawn 2000 at the beginning of the each month, how many withdrawals were there? 12. So 2000 multiplied by 12, total amount withdrawn is 24,000. Rate of IOD was 8%, and we calculated that in this case on average basis we have to take 6.5 divided by 12. So that would be the amount of your IOD. Now this case goes along with the end of the month with the mid of the month. I'll tell you that in the next videos. In the few cases you would be asked to cram for the things like at beginning of each month you should go for 6.5, cram it. But I am not letting you to cram these things because there would be a cases where he would say, where in the question it would be given that withdrawal are only for first 6 months. That means if I change the question over here, how I am changing the question? X has withdrawn 2000 at the beginning of the each month for only first 6 months, right? So let's carry along that situation here. Yes, dear. So here we are taking X has withdrawn 2000 at the beginning of every month for the first 6 months only. Okay, so in this case there are 6 withdrawals only for the year ending. One case is for 30th September, second case is 31st March. So let's talk about the first case, that he has withdrawn a sum of rupees 2000 till 31st September, that is till 6 months, and also the year is ending on 30th September. So first case, how many number of withdrawals were there? There were 6 number of withdrawals from April to September, but his year is also ending on 30th of September. Here his year is ending, so when he would be making a first withdrawal on 1st of April, how many months were left for usage? There were only 6 months. How? Because he is withdrawing on 1st April, April, May, June, July, August, September. How many months were there? 6. Then 5. then 4, then 3, then 2, and lastly for September month, when he made a withdrawal on 1st of September, year is about to end, so it is the last month here for financial year ending, so it is the case of your 1. So now taking an average, 6 plus 1 divided by 2, how much value you got? You have to take the average of first and the last. The average you got is 3.5, right? So he made a withdrawal of 2000, for number of months were 6. How much is the total amount? 12,000. What is the rate of IOD that we took was 8%. What is the average basis value we have to consider? 3.5 upon, you have to take always 12. So from here you will get your IOD value. Now for the second case, where we said that he has made a withdrawal of rupees 2000 at the beginning of each month for first 6 months only, and year is to end on 31st March. So in this case the situation is like this: year is ending on 31st March. He made a total withdrawal of 6 only because he has withdrawn till September. But when he has made his first withdrawal on 1st of April, year is to end on the date that is 31st March. How many months he can make use of this money? That is 12 months. Next withdrawal 11, next 10, 9, 8, and last one he can make use for 7 months because he made a withdrawal on 1st of September, and this withdrawal is to be used in how many number of months? That is September, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March. So the total number of months were 7 here, and here he stopped his withdrawal. There is no further withdrawal by him. So we have to take average of first and last. 12 plus 7 divided by 2. Last meant over here is not the last month of the year, rather last withdrawn value. Okay, so it is 12 plus 7 divided by 2. We got 8.5. He made 6 withdrawals, so amount is 2000 into 6. Rate is 8%. And for the month we made a calculation, 8.5 upon 12. That would be the IOD amount to be charged from the partner. Thank you. Accountitude. Keep scoring. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.